Good morning children. Welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn same and different. Second one, more than and less than. Okay, first see here. First topic, same and different. Okay, see here. First one, same and different. Okay, first topic, same and different. Same means what is the given pictures. Same here, that one is the same. Different here, that one is the different. First now we are discussing about the same. Okay, look at here, same. First see here. Now I am drawing here flower, book, okay, here chocolate. Okay, this is left side. In right side also I am drawing here. Draw pictures, drawing pictures. Okay, first one same. See here, this is left side, this one is the right side. In left side, what is this? Yeah, this is a flower. In right side, where have flower? Look at here. Yeah, this one is book. This one is a chocolate. But we want flower. Okay, this is flower. We want in right side also flower. Where have? Yeah, this is flower. Now same. This flower and this flower are same. Okay, now this one is the same. Next. Okay, look at here. What is this? Yeah, this is a book. This one left side. I want right side. Okay, right side where have book? Yeah, this is book. Okay, here book and here also book. Let's match. Okay, book, book. Flower, flower. Okay, next. What is this? Yeah, this is chocolate. In right side where have chocolate? Yeah, here chocolate. Means same. Okay, look at here, same and different. First now we are discussing about same. See here, same. Here left side and here right side. Okay, left side what they have? Flower, book and chocolate. And right side also. First book, chocolate and flower. See here, first picture what? Flower. In this flower, in right side where have? Ear have. That's why here and here same. Okay. Next, this is book. Okay, this is book. In right side where have book? Yeah, here have book. That's why these two pictures are same. Next, go to third picture. Now this one is chocolate. In right side where have? Yeah, this is a chocolate. Now this one same. Okay, now this one is the same. Same is over. Next one is the different. Next topic, different. Okay, look at here. Next topic, different. Find out the different picture. Okay, different pictures. Okay, see here. Find out the different picture. Okay, see here. Look at the board. Now I am drawing here flowers. Okay, look at here. Find out the different picture. See here, what is this? Yeah, this is triangle. Okay, see here first one triangle. Next second one also triangle. Third one also triangle. Means these three pictures are same. These three pictures are same. Only here came circle. Means this one is the different. Okay, this one is the different. Okay, first three triangles are same. Now this one is the different. Circle is the different. Means what is the question? Find out the different picture. In four pictures, now only this one, first three are same. This one is the different. Means this picture is different. Okay. Now, okay, different, understand? First three are triangles. In fourth one is circle. Okay, next. Go to next picture. Okay, what is this? Yeah, these are flowers. All flowers are same only. Tell me students, all flowers are same? No. Look at here. First flower color with black color and the other three flowers no color. Only first flower filled with color. Other three flowers without color. Means this one is the different. Again three same. Means this one is the total three flowers are same and this one is the different. First flower different. Here first three triangles are same. These first three are same. This one is the same. And here these three flowers are same. And this one is the different. Here this one is the same. And this one different. Okay, here also this one different. Okay, different. Okay, next. See here. What is this picture? Yeah, this one is square shape. So, okay, first one square, second one also square. Next, third one here came triangle and another one square. Means here first, second and fourth one. Pictures are same. In third picture, different. Yeah, third picture different. First picture square, second one also square and third one triangle and fourth one square. Means first, second, fourth one same and third one is different. Here third one different. First, second, fourth one same. Same pictures. Square, square and here also square. But third one here right triangle. Means this one is different. Okay, next see here. What is this? Yeah, tell me what is this? Yeah, these are pens. These are pens. Okay, first pen, first picture pen, second picture pen, third picture pen. In fourth picture here came book. Means here this picture book. Means this one is the different. First three are same. First three are same. Here this one is the same and last one only different. Okay, here this one is the different. Look at very careful. See here, first one, these are triangles. These are triangles. First one triangle, second one also triangle, third one also triangle and fourth one circle. Fourth one came here circle. Means first three are same. First three are same. Fourth one different. Fourth one is different. First three are same. Fourth one different. Means which pictures are have same means that one is the same. What is the have different? That one is the different. Look at here. Now these are flowers. These are flowers. Okay, see here. First flower filled with black color and other flowers without color. Means here second, third, fourth are same. But first one filled with black color. Means this one is the different. Here these flowers are same. Second, third, fourth one same. Okay. Second, third, fourth same. Only first one color with black color. That's why this one is the different. Go to next picture. Okay. See here. These one are squares. These are squares. Okay. First one square. Second one square. Next third one here came triangle. Means this one different. And here came square. Means first, second, fourth one. Okay, these are squares. Ante these pictures are same. First, second and fourth same. And third one different. Next, these are pens. First one pen, second one pen, third one pen, and fourth one came here book. Means this one is the different. Okay, today our topic same and different. Okay, this topic is over. Next, go to next topic. Okay, next topic. First one over. First one same and different. Over. Next second topic more than and less than. Okay, more than, less than. Okay, more than, less than. More ante chala, less than ante takkuva. More ante chala, less than ante takkuva. Okay, look at here. Okay, see here. Okay, see here. First one more than, less than. More ante chala, less ante takkuva. Konni untenemo less antaru, chala untenemo more antaru. Chala untenemo more, konni items untenemo danni less antaru. Okay, look at here. This one is the left side, this one is the right side. Okay, in left side balls are there, in right side also balls are there. In left side, right side also balls are there. See here, in left side how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total here how many balls are there? Here 5 balls are there. But in right side how many balls are there? Only 2 balls are there. Okay, here right side 2 balls there. Means left side more balls are there. In right side less balls are there. Okay, more ante nemo chala, less ante takkuva. See here, 5 balls are more than 2 balls. 5 balls more than 5 balls are more than 5 balls are more than 2 balls. Okay, 5 balls are more than 2 balls. Okay, see here, means this one is the more than. Means here this one more than. Okay, 5 balls are more than 2 balls. Okay, next less than means 2 balls are less than 5 balls. Okay, more than, less than. More ante chala, less ante takkuva. More ante chala, less ante takkuva. See here, total how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In right side 1, 2. Here 2 balls are there. That's why 5 balls are more than 2 balls. Here 2 balls are less than 5 balls. Means more than ante chala, less ante takkuva. Okay, more ante ekkuva, less ante takkuva. Okay, see here total 5 balls are there in left side. In right side how many balls are there? Only 2 balls. That's why in left side more balls and right side less balls. In right side only less. Why? Because here 2 balls are there. In left side how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many balls are there? 5 balls. Means left side more balls and right side 2 balls. Okay, this one is the more than and less than. Okay, one more topic. Book. Okay, book. Here also book. Okay, see here. This is left side, this is right side. In left side, how many books are there? In left side, how many books are there? 1, 2. In left side, 2 books are there. In right side, how many books are there? 1, 2, 3. Total in right side, 3 books are there. In left side, 2 books are there. Right side, 3 books are there. Now today topic more than, less than. More ante chala. More ante chala, less ante takkuva. Tell me students which side more books are there? Tell me which side? Yeah, right side more books. Means here this one is the more. And here this one left side less. Okay, now tell me 2 books are less than 3 books. Means here less than 2 books are less than 3 books. 3 books are more than 2 books. Okay. 2 books are less than 3 books. Means less ante takkuva, less ante takkuva, more ante ekkuva. See here 3 books are more than 2 books. Yes or no? Here 2 books is there. Okay, in left side how many books are there? 2 books. And right side how many books are there? 1, 2, 3. Means in right side more books are there. In left side only 2 books are there. Means this side left side less books are there. In right side more books are there. See here 2 books are less than 3 books. Next 3 books are more than 2 books. Means more than ante chala, less ante takkuva. More ante chala, less ante takkuva. Here also same. Here how many? 1, 2. How many books are there? Only 2 books are there. This is left side. And here this one is the right side. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. See here 2 books are less than 3 books. 3 books are more than 2 books. Means more ante chala, more ante chala, less ante takkuva. Okay, next. Okay, look at here. Now this is page number 9. What is the first topic? Same and different. Here already in page number 8 same is over. Next, now start different. Okay, look at here. Look at the picture in each box. Put out cross the picture that is different. Okay, see here. Here, look at here these pictures. Okay, look at here. In first picture, see here in this picture, in cap flower have, and here also have flower, and here without flower, and here also flower is there. Means these 4 pictures, which one is the different? Yeah, third one different. That's why you put here cross. Okay, first. Next go to next picture. Okay, here boy catch the ball. Okay, here see here. First boy catch the ball and second one also catch the ball. Here also catch the ball. But here missing. Means this one is the different. Here first 3 are same. First 3 boys are same. And fourth one different. Okay, this one you put cross. Okay, next go to third one. Here these are butterflies. These are butterflies. Okay, see here first butterfly color with purple. Yes or no? Next, other 3 butterflies, orange color. Means second, third, fourth one are same. First one different. Okay, that's why you put here cross. First 3, second, third are same. Okay, next go to third, fourth one. Now this one hut. Okay, first one hut, window and door have. And second one also window and door. Third one only window is there. Okay, door missing. And here window and door. Means in these pictures which one is the different? Yeah, third one different. You put cross. Okay, next. Okay, next second topic, more than and less than. More than and less than. Okay, look at here. Okay, here, look at here. First one, these are pencils. Okay, here how many pencils are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In left side, 5 pencils are there. In right side, how many are there? 1, 2. Means today topic, more than and less than. More means left side 5 pencils are there. In right side only 2 pencils are there. Okay, means here this side more and here less. 5 pencils are more than 2 pencils. 2 pencils are less than 5 pencils. Okay, next see here. This one matchbox sticks. Okay, look at here. In here this one is the left side. This one is the right side. In left side how many matchsticks are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total in left side 9. And right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means which side more matchsticks are there? Tell me which side? Yeah. Which side? Left side. Okay. Left side how many are there? 9. And right side only 7. Means more matchsticks you put here thick and you put here cross. Okay. Next. See here. Here these are books. These are books. In left side how many books are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay. In left side 3 books are there. In right side only 1. Means these are more. This one is the less. Okay. See here 3 books more than 1 book. 1 book or 1 book is less than 3 books. Okay. See here in more books you put right. Less books you put cross. Okay. Next one. See here these are leaves. In this one is the left side. This one is the right side. In left side, how many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 leaves. And right side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total here 8 are there. Means left side only 5. Right side 8. Means this one is the less. Here this one is the more. More side you put right. Left side you put cross. Okay. Next. These are apples. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. In left side 6 are there. In right side 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Means which side more? Yeah. In left side more apples are there. In right side less are there. Means more side you put right. Okay. Less side you put cross. Okay. Next. Go to next picture. Okay. These are tomatoes. How many tomatoes are there? See here count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In right side 1, 2, 3, 4. Means left side 8 are there. In right side only 4. Means this one more. Here more tomatoes are there. Here only less are there. Means here right put more side you put right. Less side you put cross. Okay. Next go to these are kites. Okay. In left side only 1 have. In right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, means here this one you put, this one is the less, means you put cross and here put right. Okay, more than and less than. Okay, today I am going to wind up the class. We can meet another class with another topic. Till then, bye.